Hi everybody and welcome to May, right? April showers bring May flowers. So today we're going to talk about Mayflower Granny Power. And in this 31-day series, I'm going to share my favorite flower granny square projects with you. I love these groovy, fun project ideas, and with the warmer weather, granny projects are perfect. They're small, easy to bring along on trips, and nice to save up for cooler weather to piece together. So let's get started. All right, hello everybody. We are on to May 14. Can you believe it? May 14th, and this is a beauty. I love this one. I love like the double round of the petals. It's so pretty. So this is by Winding Road Crochet, and I'm just going to go ahead and open this up so we can take a closer look at Lindsay's pattern from Winding Road Crochet. So this one, not only does she offer the pattern, but for all of you more visual learners, we've got the video available as well. So this crochet flower granny square is so pretty. It really deserves a project to use it on, and I agree. It is so pretty. So below you're going to find the written pattern from this granny square as well as a video tutorial. It does say to be sure to read the notes on how to change this stitch, as that will make it a lot easier for you. So I'm just going to scroll down just so you can see how it looks on the website. Usually with these, they do have you scroll down quite a ways before you get to the pattern, probably so that you'll stay on longer and have all these ads thrown at you, because that's how you get paid for a blog, is through ads. So yeah, let's just scroll down though. Here they are. Here is the granny square pattern. So you do have to, like I said, you have to scroll down a little bit, but there's also links to the video tutorial as well. Yeah, I'm not a huge fan of blogs with all of the ads, but sometimes you have to take what you can get. And as promised though, here is the video tutorial. So that's really, really nice. I like a video tutorial myself. Yeah, like I said, I really do love this. Like, it's got the light pink, and then it's got like a double layer of petal around, and then of course you've got the green for the leaves. So really, really pretty little pattern. I like this a lot. All right, so let me know in the comments below, have you ever made a pattern or a project by Winding Road Crochet? I know she's got quite a few patterns out there, so I really like this one. All right, everybody, I will see you tomorrow with another beautiful flower granny square. I hope you're enjoying this as much as I'm enjoying making it, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.